All right, so I'm gonna be replacing the struts, the shocks on here, because they're this car's 2014, so it's 6-7 years old, and you can see watch this. It doesn't really want to kind of stays. It doesn't really want to come up. So right now it's not cold right now. It's cool, but when it's cold, this thing just doesn't want to come up. It just stays there. So basically, it's worn out. If it was good, it would come up pretty well. So what I got here is some stabilis. So they're known to make these struts for most manufacturers, most OEMs. So that's what I'm gonna do. Replace them with some new ones. Let's see if you guys can see this or not. Let's do it from this angle here. Right there. Okay. So basically, just need to pop it out. Sometimes you can just pull on it and it pops out. Sometimes it doesn't do that. Sometimes it's locked in. Let me see if I can do it. Yeah, so it's locked in. So it has a clip. There's a clip on there. Let's show you that clip. Let's see right here. You see it better right here. So there's like a little metal clip right here. Take a little flathead screwdriver. Basically unclip that. Right, like so. Okay, it should just pop right off now. So let me do it on this side as well, on the top side. Oops, so that one popped off. So now the whole thing should just pop off. Let's see if it goes, if it works. It should. Let's see where that piece pop off to. There it is. Don't lose that, otherwise you might drive over it and it might maybe possibly cause a flat. So you want to support the hatch, because now there's only going to be one side, so it's for sure it's going to drop down on you and you might hit your head. Okay, see that? It pops right off. So for the new one, actually let me hold it with my head. Should have gotten this out first. So hopefully this is the same size. It should be. I ordered this from, let me match it up. Let's see. It should be the same size. I think I ordered it from Amazon. It's a little shorter. So the new one's like half an inch shorter. That's interesting. So I got it from Amazon, and it said, it fit for this. So the new one has the clip, but you don't need to do anything with the clip. You just pop it in, and it pops right in. So. Oh, that's weird. This thing is not, oh, there it goes. It's kind of stiff. This is so new, it's kind of stiff. Okay, so both sides, or both top and bottoms in. Let's see how strong it is. It's probably strong already. Oh, there you go. Geez, it's only one side, and look how strong that is. Let me bring this back. Look at that. Look at that. That's only one side. Okay, same thing with the other side. Pop it out, pop those two clips. With my screwdriver. Where did I put my, oh, there it is. Always when I'm using tools, I always put it down and I'll forget where it is. I'm like, what the hell did I put it? Pop that clip off, pop this clip off. Okay. Probably don't even need to hold this down. It's probably that new one is probably strong enough to hold this, I think. Let's see. Let me let go. Yep, the new one's strong enough to hold it, so the thing doesn't even come down. I'm not even sure how much weight this thing has, because these things are usually, they have a rating on them that tells you how much weight it was intended to hold. But this one's supposed to be a direct fit for this model. For Prius, Toyota Prius model C, Prius C. everything around. Push it up a little bit. Okay, it's in. All right, that's it. All right, let's see how firm it is. It's gonna be really firm now. I think I'm gonna have to like put some heft into it to get it down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's how it's supposed to be. Actually, it's pretty strong. You might have to be careful because let's do it from a side view. You see how fast this thing is. Let's see how fast this is. You might be careful because it might hit you in the face. Let's see, I got my keys. Oh my god, that's heavy. Right? That's not too bad. It's still strong though. So that's how it is when it's new. So that's how it is when it's new. Give it, a few months, and it will soften up a little bit. And from there, it will just slowly, over time, it'll degrade, and in another 7 years or whatever it is, 6-7 years, these things will need to be replaced too. Yeah, see, it doesn't tell me how much pounds it has. They usually say it on here, how many pounds it is. But anyways, so that's it. That's the struts for the hatchback. Replacing the struts. All right, thanks for watching.